Welcome back to your Finance Lab. Building wealth is one thing, but creating generational wealth, the kind that lasts for decades and benefits your family, is a whole new level. It requires a strategic approach, discipline, and a long-term mindset. In today's video, we're sharing 10 essential money rules to help you build and sustain generational wealth. These rules will not only help you secure your financial future, but also set your family up for success. Stick around until the end for a bonus rule that ensures your wealth lasts through generations. Let's dive in. Rule 1. Start with a wealth-building mindset. Building generational wealth begins with a mindset shift. It's about thinking beyond your own needs and planning for the future of your family. Adopt habits that prioritize growth and long-term planning. Wealth starts in the mind before it builds in the bank. Actionable tips. Set clear, long-term financial goals for yourself and your family. Focus on delayed gratification and disciplined spending. Educate yourself on wealth-building principles through books, podcasts, and courses. Rule 2. Live below your means. To create wealth that lasts, you need to save and invest more than you spend. Avoid lifestyle inflation and focus on maintaining a gap between your income and expenses. Living below your means creates room for wealth to grow. Actionable tips. Track your monthly expenses to identify areas for cutting back. Redirect savings from unnecessary spending into investments or a wealth fund. Stick to a budget, even as your income grows. Rule 3. Invest for the long term. Investing is the cornerstone of building wealth that lasts. Long-term investments allow your money to grow through compound interest, creating a financial foundation for future generations. Time is your greatest ally in wealth building. Actionable tips. Start investing in low-cost index funds or ETFs for steady, diversified growth. Contribute to tax-advantaged accounts like 401ks, IRAs, or HSAs. Reinvest dividends to maximize compounding returns over time. Rule 4. Diversify your income streams. Relying on a single income source is risky. Creating multiple streams of income through businesses, real estate, or investments ensures stability and accelerates wealth growth. Diversified income secures your family's financial future. Actionable tips. Start a side hustle or business aligned with your passions or skills. Invest in income-generating assets like rental properties or dividend-paying stocks. Reinvest profits from additional income streams to grow your wealth. Rule 5. Protect your wealth with insurance. Building wealth is one thing. Protecting it is another. Adequate insurance safeguards your assets and family from unexpected financial setbacks, ensuring your wealth isn't wiped out. Insurance is your safety net for wealth preservation. Actionable tips. Get health, life, disability, and property insurance to protect your income and assets. Consider umbrella insurance for extra liability coverage. Reassess your policies annually to ensure they meet your needs. Rule 6. Pass on financial literacy. Generational wealth isn't just about money, it's about knowledge. Teaching your family the principles of saving, investing, and budgeting ensures they can manage and grow the wealth you leave behind. Financial education is the most valuable inheritance. Actionable tips. Teach your children the basics of personal finance, like budgeting and saving. Involve family members in discussions about wealth and financial planning. Encourage reading and learning about money from a young age. Rule 7. Create an estate plan. An estate plan ensures your wealth is distributed according to your wishes and avoids unnecessary legal disputes. It's a critical step in passing on generational wealth smoothly. Planning ahead secures your legacy. Actionable tips. Write a will to specify how your assets should be distributed. Assign a trusted executor or financial power of attorney. Consult an estate planning attorney for guidance on trusts and tax strategies. Rule 8. Minimize debt and use it strategically. Not all debt is bad, but mismanaging it can hinder wealth building. Use debt strategically to invest in assets that appreciate over time, like real estate or education. Smart debt can be a tool for wealth creation. Actionable tips. Avoid high-interest debt, like credit cards or personal loans. Use low-interest loans to invest in appreciating assets, like rental properties. Pay off existing debt quickly to reduce interest costs. Rule 9. Build a legacy through ownership. Ownership, whether it's in real estate, businesses, or intellectual property, is a cornerstone of generational wealth. Assets that grow in value and generate income create lasting financial security. Ownership is the key to lasting wealth. Actionable tips. Invest in property or land that can appreciate over time. Start a business or purchase shares in an established one. Protect intellectual property rights if you're a creator or innovator. Rule 10. Focus on giving back. Wealth isn't just about accumulation, it's about impact. Giving back through philanthropy or community investment ensures your wealth creates a positive legacy. Generosity multiplies wealth's value beyond money. Actionable tips. Set aside for charitable giving. Establish a family foundation to support causes you care about. Involve your family in giving back to create a shared sense of purpose. Bonus rule: plan for taxes. Taxes can erode wealth if not managed strategically. Planning for taxes ensures you keep more of your hard-earned money and pass on as much as possible to the next generation. Tax planning protects and preserves wealth. Actionable tips. Work with a tax advisor to minimize estate and inheritance taxes. Use tax-advantaged accounts to grow wealth efficiently. Explore trusts or gifting strategies to reduce taxable income. Conclusion: building generational wealth requires a combination of smart financial decisions, discipline, and education. By following these 10 rules, you'll create a lasting legacy that come. Which rule will you focus on first? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more financial insights from your Finance Lab. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.